what we are thinking to bring. For example, who invented the light? How they invented the light? First, he thought to give the idea how electricity will pass through that circuit and how electricity will produce, how bulb will go like that. He didn't think. He think one day, he dreamed for that and he worked on it. Then only we will get simple light also. Like that, we are growing our technology. For every decade, we are coming to new technology. Now we are having AI, IoT, like that new technology. How it grows means we are having some amount of idea. We are thinking, we have to make our life more sophisticated. First, every humans we need to make our life sophisticated and we have to be in comfort zone. For that only we introduce. Before we walk and go. Now we are going in cars, aeroplane, like that. We are grooming means we have to make our life sophisticated. So we have to dream for that. We have to get ideas. So we have to think. First, we have to innovate few things. For innovation, we need creativity. So first, those who want to innovate, now itself we have to think. We should not follow the same path what we are having. Okay, we have to dream for the new thoughts. First, we have to innovate what we have to do. Then we have to create some ideas. We have to think about that. Then we have to create some ideas, and if we are working on that, new innovations will be beginning. So that we can start startups also for our careers. So this is the correct time. Grow up your ideas about the technology because we are studying in engineering path. We have to grow up our ideas. So first we have to know about what is technology. Technology is nothing but it is an art or skill that can be established with some ideas. Then how technology will be created means, and first we have to talk about why we are celebrating the National Day. We are celebrating National Day to give the those who invented, for them we have to give the acknowledgement. Those who invented, researchers and scientists, they are introducing every year in every field, they are introducing new things. We have to appreciate that. For that we declared May 11th as the National Technological Day. And here, this year our theme will be, every year they will give one theme. Last year they give theme was startup for building the innovations. Here in this year theme will be Yantra. Yantra is nothing but equator for advanced in new technology, researchers and acceleration. Next, why we have to develop the technology? As I said before, we have to make our life more comfort and we have to make our life sophisticated and standardized and improvise our standard. So we have to work on that. In standard wise, we are improving that. So we are simplifying our life with the help of technologies. So we are having more research centers, Baba Atomic Center, like that. We are having more atomic in the Indian Space Research Organization, Defense Research Development Organization. So you are studying only, you have to go place in that. For that, what we have to do? Only don't go through your syllabus, go through beyond that to place in these organizations also. That will develop our ideas in technological sector. So before going to that, how innovations will happen means we need changes. First we walk, then we went in cycle, then we invented the scooters, like that. We need changes. The changes will give your ideas to bring the innovation. Here Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam also gives that one quote. Changes is crucial. It brings you a new thought. New thought leads to the innovation dream. First dream what you have to be done and work on it, then you will achieve that. For achieving that, first we have to imagine. That will indicate your creativity. Then whatever you created, that will bring to your innovations. Next, how we will be founded. First, we have to give the innovations with the help of invention and exploitation. So we have to innovate means we have to know what are in your fields, and then we have to evoke that. You have to work on that, and you have to establish that, so that innovations will happen in your field. Who should innovate? First, you have to think whatever technologies will be grown up in your department, you have to learn that. For example, now in our department, IoT, VLSI will be the vector. So we have to learn that. And we have to give innovation means you have to add any AI or AML algorithm in our technologies. Like that, you have to learn and create a new technology, then only you will get So like that, to our thinking and to our working on that, they only can innovate. So how we have to know why they are celebrating the technological day. On May 11, 1998 and 1999, the three nuclear weapons they will reported in Pokhran test in Rajasthan. At the time, they declared that day as National Technological Day. Not only in nuclear weapons, we are having some achievements in the field of. I will tell you about Operation Shakti afterward. And we are having this aircraft and aerospace Hansa 3 on May 11th only. So we are celebrating that. And we are having more space exploration in India. For example, we implemented Mars Orbit and Chandrayaan 1 in space exploration. Then we are having some science academics to develop our technology in growth in India. So here we are having Indian Academy of Sciences, National Academy of Sciences and Indian National Science and Academy for the growth. And now the rapid growth will be in cyber security and AI. Whatever we are studying in IoT and IIC, we have to implement through cyber security and AI. So you have to incorporate both technology and you have to learn in both, then only we can grow in our technological growth. Don't follow the same path, you have to be changed in your goal and you have to achieve in that. Okay? Then